If a reversing valve is not switching as intended, treat the issue as a controls, wiring, and signal problem and proceed methodically. Start by confirming that the thermostat's changeover lead matches the outdoor unit specification and polarity. Many contractors replace thermostats without checking whether the unit expects a call for cooling on a particular lead labeled O or B, so review the outdoor unit wiring diagram and the thermostat manual and make sure the correct lead is connected. Put the thermostat into its test mode to force a changeover and listen for the valve actuating while watching the outdoor unit terminals. Measure for 24 volts between the common and the reversing valve terminal on the outdoor unit during the intended mode to verify the control signal is present. If you see the proper control voltage but the valve does not move, isolate power and inspect the valve coil and mechanical linkage for continuity, burnt windings, or seized parts. If the control voltage is absent, trace the wiring back to the air handler and the thermostat, checking for loose wire nuts, terminal mix-ups, and any intermediate control boards that could swap or interrupt the lead. The three most common mistakes are swapped thermostat leads, relying on assumed compatibility, and missing live voltage checks. When leads are reversed, simply reattach the O or B lead to the correct terminal per the unit spec and retest the system. If compatibility is assumed and the thermostat mode mapping differs from the outdoor unit, refer to both manuals and change the thermostat configuration or replace the lead wiring so the correct signal is sent. If technicians skip measuring voltage, use a multimeter to confirm the presence of 24 volts at the outdoor unit during the mode call, and then proceed to test the valve coil directly by applying the proper control voltage briefly to see if it actuates. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work tied to projects like reversing valve troubleshooting. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share practical tips, wiring diagrams, and real-world troubleshooting experiences.